Artificial intelligence has been all over the news, and you might be wondering if AI can help you plan your own trips.
This is our personal take on the question, and I should specify up front that we are publishing this in early 2024 to acknowledge that technology can change rapidly. Right now, AI like Google Bard or ChatGPT are limited, but that will inevitably change in the months and years to come. To illustrate the pros and cons of AI for trip planning, let's start with an example. I asked Bard and ChatGPT what they suggest to do in a place I know really, really well, my hometown. Here are their responses. Initially, they both suggest visiting the Capitol building first, and that makes sense to me since the state capitol is one of the main things Salem is known for. However, ChatGPT's second suggestion is to stroll through the fairgrounds, and it says even outside of fair dates. I mean, yes, there are other events that happen at our fairgrounds, but it is not a place where you'd want to just stroll around on a random day.
You probably don't have to be from Salem to suspect that visiting fairgrounds outside an event is not something a human would feature as the second best thing to do in a town.
So I think this illustrates our first point that AI is still pretty limited for trip planning.
Let's boil it down to this. AI can be a first step to help you get a great ideas for a trip, but number one, still not reliable as a real human. And number two, it's too generic to help you with customizing your itinerary.
For a truly awesome custom trip, it's still better to rely on people who have experienced the place for themselves and to learn how to filter your research so that your itinerary is aligned with your own values and goals.
Throughout the Intentional Travelers membership, resources, and blog, we show you the strategies and tools we use to find the best things to see, do, and eat in any destination.
Let us know what topics you'd like to see next.
Ardo. Take 3. But that will inevitably. Woo! I'd like to point out, has AI ever been to a fairgrounds? I don't think